thought we'd let you see how the digital printing process works, and we're starting a new project. So this is what our customer brought in, a shirt, and they only need 3, so it doesn't pay to order the custom-made transfers for that. So what we do is start with exactly the same shirt, and we've scanned this into the computer, and that's where we start from. So now it's on our computer screen, and we'll digitize it and go from there. Hi, you'll see here's our next step. It's now digitized on the computer, and we send it to the printer. But before I send it to the printer, I will pre-press the shirts to make sure there are no wrinkles and all the moisture is out of the shirt so the ink adheres. I've just put a plain white shirt on the platen to run a sample of the shirt first to make sure there are no mistakes or color adjustments that need to be made before we put it on the customer's actual shirts. So now we'll put it into the DTG and send our artwork to the printer. Load it into the printer and make sure the shirt is as high as it can be without touching the print head to get a nice, clear, crisp copy. Push the load button. That's it for now. I'm sending my graphics to the printer and adjusting some of the settings and with our DTG because we want to make sure our color's nice and dark and has the right RGB settings to coordinate with the printer. That's it. We have a RIP program that will show us when it's ready to print and the actual ink cost. Here's the first design out of the machine. And I'm looking at this compared to the customers. I just think I would like to make my dragon a little smaller. So I'm going to readjust my artwork and go from there. But to set the ink, put it in the press, which is set at 340 degrees. Cover it with either a piece of Teflon or a piece of parchment paper. Let it sit for 2 minutes. There we go. Okay, we've made our adjustments. We've made the dragon a little smaller, and we're ready to go for our final run on the customer shirts. So we have it on the platen, pressed, smooth, ready to go. So we're going to load it into the printer. Make sure the height is right. Start a production run in the software for the 3 pieces. Okay, here's our finished shirt. All it has to do now is go to the press for 2 minutes at 340 degrees to set the ink, and we're done.